Welcome to Genius Connect. Please subscribe and share.
Morning and namaskar to all the friends watching this video. My name is Zainul Makra from Genius Groups of Institute and I am a lecturer of physics, and today we are going to discuss the solar system with a new technology, which is the augmented reality. It is also known as the AR technology. So you can see the whole solar system revolving on your screen in front of you. You know the size of the solar system is far huge, but with the help of this technology, the whole solar system can be captured on the screen. So you are seeing the sun at the center, which is one of the developing stars in our Milky Way, and we also consider as the Surya Devata. It is at the center, and the planets are revolving around it into its particular orbit. You see the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune and Pluto. All the planets are revolving into their specific orbit, and today we are going to study about each one of them with the help of this technology. So friends, let us start.
So students, we are discussing about the solar system. So before we start about the planets and our own star, the sun, let us first try to understand that our solar system and our sun is a part of our Milky Way, and the size of or the shape of our galaxy is spherical, which you are able to see on the screen. So let us try to jump inside this Milky Way and find out what is there and how the Milky Way looks. So let us go deep inside it, and here we go to the space travel. So going directly to the sun or to our solar system. We are coming to the solar system, the Pluto, the Saturn, Uranus, and with a high speed traveling at light years, we move to our own star, which is the sun. So let us try to explore the sun and what is the structure of sun, how the sun produces a great amount of energy and provide us. So the sun, it is a high wall of which is emitting a high amount of heat energy. There are different layers of the sun. At the core we are having the fusion reactions which are going on, due to which it is producing a high amount of energy. Then the radiative zone, where the heat radiations are in the outer part. Then the thermal columns and the heat circles, where there is a high amount of heat which is impossible to reach over there. So this was our sun, our own star. Let us now move to the first planet of our solar system, and which is, yes, that is the Mercury. So students, this is your first planet, which is Mercury. Let us try to understand what is present in Mercury. So at the core we are having the molten iron, high amount of, if you just see the core, it is having a high amount of molten iron which is present at the core. Then at the mantle part it is having solid silicate rocks, and at the crust it is having silicate rocks. It is in the solid form. So this was our second planet. Now let us move to the third planet. So this was your first planet. Now let us move to the second planet, and that is, yes, that is our Venus. Venus, which is our neighboring planet, right? Or we can say it is almost like the brother of Earth. It is having the size almost as the size of Earth, and let us try to understand what is present in the Venus. So in the inner core there is dense solid iron and nickel which is present in the core, and in the outer core we are having the liquid iron, and in the liquid form iron and nickel. The same way in the mantle we are having solid silicate rocks. So you can see the whole planet Venus, which is opened in front of you. Now moving to the third planet, which is our own planet, that is Earth. Let's see how our Earth looks. We all know about Earth, but can we see it on the whole screen? Let us try to see how our Earth looks. So this is our planet Earth, and you can see India is shown on the planet Earth. But let us try to open it and how our Earth is as a structure. So the structure of the Earth, at the inner core we are having, as all the planets, we are having solid iron and nickel. In the outer core we are having iron and nickel in the liquid form. And in the mantle part we are having solid silicate, and in the crust part you are having the solid silicate rock, mostly in the basalt form. Right, so this is our Earth. This is how our structure looks. And if you just see right now in India and in the sides where there is sunlight, you can see the bright sky. And on the opposite side, when we move to the opposite side, we are having dark and it is completely night over there. So this is the part where our Earth is at this particular position. So let us move to the next planet. Which is the next planet? Yes, that is Mars. And we all know that we have reached to the Mars. India becoming the first country to reach Mars in the first mission. So let us see how the Mars looks. So this is the planet Mars right now. So you can see the light phase and the dark phase on the Mars. And let us try to see what the structure of the Mars is. So the structure of the Mars is, at the core we are having partial iron, nickel and sulfur, and in the mantle part we are having the solid silicate rocks, and then in the crust part we are having iron rich basalt rock, right? And there is a huge amount of iron which is present on the surface of the Mars. So this was our neighboring planet on the opposite side, which is Mars. So this first 4 planets are also considered as the terrestrial planets. Now we will be moving to the Jovian planets, students. So the first Jovian planet is the Jupiter. The second Jovian.
I hope you all would have enjoyed this video. Subscribe to Genius Connect and put on the notification to receive more such videos. Like and share this video too. Thanks for watching.